Uh, Now the next question of mine is that imagine you are in a sinking boat surrounded by sharks. Imagine you are in a sinking boat and surrounded by sharks. How will you survive? यानी कि आप इमेजिन करिए कि आप एक डूबती नाव में हैं और आपके आसपास बहुत सारी शार्क हैं, तो आप उससे कैसे बचेंगे? आप उससे कैसे बचेंगे? Put your answers in the chat box, please. The question is, imagine you are in a sinking boat surrounded by sharks. How will you survive? अगर आप एक डूबती नाव में हैं, अगर आप एक डूबती नाव में हैं और आपके आसपास शार्क है, तो आप उससे कैसे सरवाइव करेंगे? Madam Mamta Arora has asked to share YouTube links. I request you go to YouTube, find Pharma Innovation Channel. You will find all the videos out there. And the link is also shared in the chat box also. You can go through this. The question is, imagine you are in a sinking boat and surrounded by shark. How will you survive? Yes, dear friends, I am getting answers from Rahul Emnani, Sifat Jot Singh, and Tejveer Gill, Swati Verma. Yes, we have to stop imagining. ये जो मीडिया हमारे आसपास हाइप क्रिएट कर रहा है, ये जो मीडिया हमें सोचने पर मजबूर कर रहा है. Snehal has told that first of all fix the boat. I will pretend dead. Apurva has said everybody is giving their answer, but no. The answer is that you stop imagining. You stop imagining that Corona is going to affect you. Stop imagining. Your news channel are putting so many newses over years. आपके कान में इतनी सारी चीजें वो भर दे रहे हैं सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू, न्यूज चैनल्स के थ्रू, कि आप इतने डर चुके हैं कि कोरोना है या पता नहीं क्या है. पर मैं यहाँ ये कहना चाहूंगा कि इमेजिन करना बंद कर दीजिए. आपको कोरोना से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. मुश्किल कोई आन पड़े तो घबराने से क्या होगा? अरे दोस्तों, जीने की तरकीब निकालो, मर जाने से क्या होगा? तो ये सोचना जरूरी नहीं है. ये सोचना बंद करना होगा कि हम कोरोना से नहीं लड़ सकते हैं, कोरोना से हम बच नहीं सकते हैं, और तभी हम जीत सकते हैं. ये बड़ा ही फेमस कोट है कि यूनान और मिस्र और रोमा सब मिट गए जहां से, अब तक मगर है बाकी नामो निशा हमारा. कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जहां हमारा. इससे पहले H1N1 इन्फेक्शन आया. बिफोर दैट इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस केम, सार्स वायरस केम, स्वाइन फ्लू केम, and all those were unknown viruses, and we have fought. The world has fought with them. We have survived. So we will survive with Corona also. And therefore, I will tell that there is no need to worry. There is no need to worry from Corona. The only thing is कि हमें प्रिवेंटिव वेज को अपनाना है, हमें इम्यूनिटी को अपनाना है, हमें अपने आप को ये समझना है कि हम इससे कैसे बच सकते हैं. So what are the lessons from Corona? That we can overcome any challenge. Any challenge in life we have overcome. We have already overcome all the challenges in our life. There is nobody who has not faced any challenge in the life. And therefore, आप जब उन चैलेंजेस से बाहर आए हैं, आप जब उनसे लड़कर बाहर आए हैं, आप जब एक विनर, एक विजेता बनकर निकले हैं, तो ये चैलेंज भी इतना बड़ा नहीं है जितना कि इसे बनाया जा रहा है. डेफिनेटली कोरोना इज गोइंग टू स्टे, HIV stayed, all viral infection stayed. What has happened to humanity? Nothing has happened. We are precautionary. We have found solutions. Even we have not found treatment solutions for HIV. Still, HIV is not a big threat. So the corona will not also be a big threat for all of us. What is essential is self-care. हम अपना ध्यान रखें, precautions रखें. These are the keys to prevent from corona. We have to go back on rely nature. We have to go back on our traditions. We have to go back on natural ways of immunity enhancer. We have to go back on Ayurveda. और हम यहाँ ये कह सकते हैं कि कोई तो जुर्म था जिसमें हम सभी शामिल थे, तभी तो हर शख्स आज मुंह छुपाए घूम रहा है। तो ये जो कोरोना है, दैट हैज गिवन अस ए लेसन दैट नर्चर द नेचर लाइक मदर अर्थ। हम अगर मदर अर्थ की रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, अगर हम उसको बचा के रखेंगे, अगर हमारे ट्रेडिशंस और कल्चर को बचा के रखेंगे, उनको हम रूटीन लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे, डेफिनेटली हम कोरोना और कोरोना जैसी कई बीमारियों से बच सकते हैं। Enjoy your stay with family. Your family is the most important thing in life. कि जिंदगी की दौड़ में अंधाधुंध दौड़ते हो, क्यों खाली हाथ जाने के लिए चीजें बटोरते हो? आपकी फैमिली आपके लिए बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। आपकी फैमिली के साथ जो लोग हैं, आपके साथ जो जुड़े हुए लोग हैं, वो बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट है। और कोरोना को मैं थैंक्स कहना चाहूंगा कि उसने फिर से हमें एक बार सोचने का और समझने का मौका दिया है कि कैसे हमें अपनी जिंदगी जीना है, कैसे हम मिनिमम रिसोर्सेस के साथ हम अपनी जिंदगी जी सकते हैं, और कैसे हम उनके साथ दूसरों का सोच सकते हैं। हम जहां एक तरफ हम ये कह रहे हैं कि हम अपना सोच रहे हैं, हमें दूसरों का भी सोचना है। मैं यहाँ ये कटाक्ष जरूर करना चाहूंगा कि अमीरों के लिए तो हम हवाई जहाज भेजते हैं, पर हमें गरीबों के पांव के छाले नहीं दिख रहे हैं। तो ये जो लोग हैं, जो मजदूर लोग हैं, उनके लिए हम नहीं सोच रहे हैं, ये बड़ी गलत बात है। सरकार सोचे, बहुत अच्छा है, सोच रही है, बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन हमें अपने लोगों के लिए सोचना है, हमें अपनी फैमिली के लिए सोचना है, हमें अपने डियर एंड नियर वंस के लिए सोचना है। ये हमें सिखा रहा है कोरोना। बी पॉजिटिव एंड स्टे सेफ। देयर इज नथिंग कोरोना विच कैन अफेक्ट यू if you are so strong, if your immunity is so strong, if you are willing to fight with corona, that is the best message I can give you. Thank you so much. If you have any question, I has tried to cover up all the questions asked during the chat session. If you have any other questions, you can throw me back on Facebook chat. I can answer it. And also, you have my mail ID. You can have it. You can throw your question through mail ID. Ankita Bharwal has said कि people who have come home after fighting corona, surrounding people start threatening them. In India, like polio and HIV, now corona also need to brand ambassador. Who will be the brand ambassador for all this humanity aspect? We will be the brand ambassador, Ankita Bharwal. We have to act responsible way. The people who are working for us, the people who are putting their life at the risk for us, we have to honor them, we have to respect them. And if we will honor them, the society will honor them, and there will be no problem like this. And yes, you can say that you have to be negative. I will say, Sneha, you need not to be negative. You be positive, but be precautionary. That is the message you have to take. Yes, Rajiv Kumar, Ayurveda is the best answer to life, health and longevity. But we had to forget our roots. We have forget our Ayurveda. We have to go back to the Ayurveda. We have to go back to our practices. We have to go back to our families, and that is the best. I think I have answered so many questions and queries. Dr. Abdul Bashar has asked how much time the virus can survive on non-living surface. There is a finding of published in a very good journal, Lancet, that has answered your queries. I will take one by one. That on which surface corona survive for how much time, and I will share this information with you. That on which surface, according to the study published in Lancet journal, which is very prestigious journal, by a very Lancet microbe journal, Chin et al. In 2020 published that the coronavirus on paper it can survive up to 3 hours, tissue paper it can survive up to surface it can survive up to 2 days, on glass it can survive up to 4 days, on cloth it can survive up to 2 days, on mask it can survive on inner layer up to 7 days, and mask outer layer active beyond 7 days. On steel, it can survive up to 7 days. Plastic, 7 days. Currency notes, it can survive up to 4 days. But all this is depends on if you are not washing, if you are not taking any preventive measure, then only it is highly stable on these surfaces. Otherwise, it is if you are practicing hand hygiene, if you are practicing sanitizer, if you are practicing mask in a proper manner, you will be getting prevented if your immunity is good. People who have recovered from corona can get infected. Rahul Emnani has asked. A very rare chance, because the immunity has been developed in their body. The immunity is there in their body, and that's why there is a rare chance. But yes, infection, if not treated fully, that can resurface anytime. So there is a chances, very rare chance of getting infected again. Over to you, Shailesh. I think most of the questions I have answered. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity, Dr. Shailesh and Amar Shahid Billa College of Pharmacy. It's a wonderful session, and I think that I have answered most of the queries in the chat box itself during the lecture. Thanks a lot once again to all the audience who have joined us. And if you have any queries, if you have any innovative idea, you can join us anytime. This is my mail ID and phone number given. You can go to our YouTube channel. You can like and subscribe our channel. You can watch our innovative discoveries. And link is also shared in the chat box also. Thank you so much, everybody associated with this lecture through Facebook. Thank you so much.